Hi Capricorn, this is the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Yes guys, I changed my name from the Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot to Pixie Dust Tarot. This eclipse season, this retrograde season and fresh June energies somehow indicated to me that there is a change of name needed for some reason, and I never underestimate my gut. I always listen to it, and so I just went with the first name I got during meditation. It was the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and I hope to come up with a lot of readings for you so that you guys enjoy and I also get that gratification of serving all of you. Let's get started, guys. You have the Fool energy over here, the Emperor energy and the Justice energy. Capricorn, firstly, congratulations. These are major arcana energies. These energies are a stamp that good things are coming your way. The Fool is that in the recent past, some of you took this impulsive step that led you to become this authority, this emperor of your life, this person who earlier did not have much say in their own life, but once they took this leap of faith, once they shed their old skin, and things that truly changed the way you lead your life, guys, you have become this authoritative person. Now, if some of you were dealing with some kind of legal issues, legal battles, the verdict is going to be in your favor. Please rest assured with that feeling. You've got the Eight of Swords, and this card suggests that sometimes, Capricorn, you are so caught up in your own inhibitions, in your own head, that it is very difficult for you to rationalize and take that step to do something that you really want to do. And Capricorn, what I'm also getting is that this could be relating to a partner. A Gemini person could be important to you, a Libra person could be important, and even a Taurus person. But the fact here is that there are times when you just get too caught up in your head. This is a general reading. It may just resonate with two of you and not everyone. So please don't be disheartened. Please go check out your other signs. But to those who are resonating with this reading, I feel these people got out of some painful relationship, and I don't know why I'm getting a very feminine energy, as if I'm reading for the feminine energy. And I feel that this person, whoever is resonating with this reading, got out of a painful relationship that just damaged their self-esteem, and they felt that they couldn't be anything without their partner, and that self-confidence that was shattered is coming back together, and it's coming back together as an emperor, as a queen, as somebody who does justice to their own life. Capricorn, I'm trying to articulate as best as I can because I keep getting these messages too fast. So, Nine of Wands, Two of Swords, and the Temperance energy, Ten of Cups over here. The underlying good news is that your wishes are coming true. If you've been looking for a partner who will help you build a family, who will be that perfect companion you're looking for, then yes, you're going to bump into them very soon. You've come out of energies where you felt burdened by other people's opinions, other people's actions. You felt responsible for the pain that you went through, but in reality, it was the other people who caused you that pain, and just because you let them cause you that pain, you felt responsible for it. But Capricorn, okay, just take 50% responsibility of it. The other 50% is the people who caused you that pain. They had a choice, they made a choice, okay? Now you've gotten out of that. Yes, there was a time when you did not know where to go, what to do. There were two things, there were two paths, two people, two study options, to business ventures, to job opportunities. And then you just closed your eyes and said, listen, my gut says I want to go with A, and you just took that leap. And when you took that leap, Capricorn, you took the reins back in your, the reins of your life. You took them back in your hands, and now you're just going upwards. Balance is being restored. You're feeling happy. You have isolated yourself, but you like this isolation. You love this isolation because it's giving you that peace. And sometimes what people can't see, they can't ruin, right? Capricorns, and you like that. You like making that a part of your life where not a lot of people know what's happening with you. And it gives you a very different kind of power. You've got the 10 of Wands. Yes, you've come out of very difficult, burdensome energies, but Capricorn, even if you're going through them right now, they won't last for long. They are going away, and you're reaching that destination that is truly meant for you, which is truly meant for you, actually. No need to worry. Remain positive. I know sometimes it's easier said than done, Capricorn, but ground yourself. If you've been feeling burdened and heavy during this eclipse season, this retrograde season, everyone's going through that. So just ground yourself, meditate, eat well, eat good things, spend time in nature. But if you're living in like buildings or something, then try and do things that make you happy. Because of the lockdown and all, obviously we can't really go out that often, but paint, draw, play board games, anything that makes you happy. Step out of your comfort zone, Capricorn. Surrender to the divine. Have faith in your dreams. Meditate and contemplate. The energy is gaining momentum. And what do you need to release? Capricorn, these are your major energies. I'm going to be taking out one last message for you. There are almost all the signs present in your reading, Capricorn. Pisces is one of the major ones. The universe has my back. We all need to know that, Capricorn, because no matter what we are, where we are, who we are, what we are doing, what we've done, the universe always listens to her children, and you are a special child to her. Each one of us is. So never underestimate yourself and your capabilities. You're doing great, Capricorn. Just keep going, okay? You are blessed. Guys, if this reading resonated with you, please do like, share, subscribe. It means a lot to me because I'm a budding tarot card reader. I've been practicing for 4 years, but on YouTube, it's for the first time that I made a channel, and you guys have given me so much love, giving me 1,000 subscribers, but I want to grow with you guys. And yes, when I serve you, it just comes as a boost to my confidence when you come back and either comment on my posts, or you could visit my Instagram channel. I'll link it below. You can really help me build my channel and my YouTube presence because your love really matters to me. So please, please, please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Take care.